Hey everybody, Jeff here again. We're talking about the most frequently asked questions that people ask about the reverse mortgage. I always like to start off with this just to remind people that the government calls it a home equity conversion mortgage. You'll hear us in the industry talk about it as a HECM. It's the FHA HUD reverse mortgage. The government just has their unique terminology for it. Today I want to talk about the sixth most asked question, and that is, if you do a reverse mortgage, will you have an estate that you can leave to your heirs? In other words, if I do a reverse mortgage, is there going to be anything left for my kids, or am I giving my house to the bank, which is what a lot of people think. And you're absolutely not giving your house to the bank. You just think about it. It's like a regular mortgage. If, let's say you have a $200,000 house and you have a $100,000 mortgage on it now and you die, your heirs can sell the house and they get to keep $100,000. A reverse mortgage is exactly the same way. So the only difference is the debt is being added to the loan every month because you're not making any payments, but the bank is still charging interest. And so when you look at this again, when the home is sold or no longer used as your primary residence, then the cash, the interest, and other HECM finance charges all have to get paid back at that point in time. Also true of a regular mortgage. Whatever the debt is has to get paid back when you die or your kids take over the mortgage. The only difference with a reverse mortgage is they can't take it over. So what they can do is they can sell the house and they get to keep whatever's left. So again, just in my simple example, if you have a $200,000 house and you have a $100,000 reverse mortgage debt, they would sell the house and they would net the $100,000. What if they want to keep the house? Then they could go ahead and get a regular loan to pay off the reverse mortgage and they can keep the home. Whatever they want to do, it's their choice. What if you owe more than the value of the house? What if you've lived so long, like that's a terrible thing, you live a really long time, and the reverse mortgage debt is $250,000, but the home's only worth $200,000. Then your heirs would just say, hey, bank, we are not interested, that's your problem. Okay, and they have no issues, no debt passes to your heirs ever. This is guaranteed by the federal government. You actually pay insurance to guarantee all of this, so it's absolutely ironclad. So with that, I believe that an informed consumer makes better choices, so I would recommend that you get a quote. You can email us. We do have a quote request form that will help you fill out and get to us. We'll get a quote back to you. There's absolutely no obligation. We just think you should be informed. With that, thanks so much for watching.